Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to get unblocked in Discord when Cloudflare blocks access. So here, as you can see, some are having some issues on Discord, like this error, which is sorry you have been blocked. This error message on their Discord. So what are the common reasons for the block? So the first one right here is because the Discord server outage. So as you can see, sometimes the issue isn't on your end and the Discord may be experiencing downtime. So what you're going to do right here, if you have a Discord outage, you can check on their Twitter page right here. You can go to twitter.com and you can search for Discord support. And right from here, you'll find all the issues regarding on Discord app. And here you'll find if the Discord has a downtime at the moment. And you can also check at the discordstatus.com. So from here, it will basically show you if some are getting issues on your Discord. So what we're going to do right here to fix this one is you just have to wait until the Discord support fix those issues if you are getting blocked from the Discord. And the second one right here is VPN or proxy usage. So Discord can block access from VPNs or proxy servers. So here, if you're using VPN, you can try to close or remove all your VPN and try to open your Discord. Now, the third common reason here is the suspicious activity. Discord may block you if it detects odd behavior from your IP address or account. So from here, you just need to check your IP address, or you can try to reset your modem or your internet proxy servers, or you can just reset your computer. And here on firewall antivirus, occasionally your system security measures might prevent access to Discord. So you can try to turn off your firewall or antivirus and try to connect again on Discord. As you can see how to fix the block. First one here, try using the mobile version to the same Wi-Fi network. So you can check if you have the same error on your mobile app. Number two, restart your modem or router. So this may be the solution here if you have having some issues on your IP address. And third one, try the browser version. So instead of using the Discord app, you can try to use the browser version instead. Now the third method here is disconnect from VPN or proxy. Now the fix number 5, you can manage Chrome extensions. You can go to your manage extensions and disable all the unnecessary extensions. 6 is additional troubleshooting. You can go clear your browse cache and cookies. Number 7 is contact Discord support. So here you can choose help and support, and you can provide a subject and description for the issue on your Discord. So that's it. That's how you basically fix this Discord error. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.